Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Pluto TV app using Unlinked. Now, if you don't have the Unlinked app, head over to the description. I have a video tutorial linking a short video that will show you exactly how to download this app in your Android TV box, or even a Google TV. The Unlinked method will work with any device running an Android operating system. And all you need to do is to navigate to the app. Use your remote to click on Unlink with the OK key and you're in. Now you're going to be prompted with the add an app library. So click on new library to add it, and you're going to add this particular library for this tutorial. So we're going to put in Fire Stick. So type in FIRESTICK. And now if your spelling is correct, no space between, just caps, click on enter. You should be greeted with this download page where you enter and scroll down to the app of choice. Now go down under free apps. You can find right here, this is app of choice. We're trying to download the Pluto TV application, so click on OK and you find this download button. When you launch it, the download will begin. If you have poor connection, you may have to try this a couple of times, but click on the download button and you'll be able to find your app downloading. Make sure you have very good internet connection. If your connection is good, this app will download in a very short period of time, and immediately it is downloaded, you will need to click on the install button. Click on the install button will get it directly installed in your app library. So after the download completes, click install app and you have this directly in your Android TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. Now, if you found value in this tutorial, I would like you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.